This video is taking a quick look at the sticky notes feature in Stitch Mastery. To create a note, you'll find the sticky note icon above the Stitch palette, and it's a little yellow rectangle with a folded corner, and when you hover over it, it says Note, Create a Note. So we're going to click the left button on your keypad or mouse, and you'll see that the cursor becomes a cross with an extended rectangle. And if you hover over your chart, you'll see you get a circular warning sign, and this is because you can't initially place your note directly over your chart. And if you hover directly over the key, you'll see that the program's trying to put this note directly in line with the key, but I'll just pop it to the very bottom. So click again with the left button and hold and drag to draw the area you want your note to take up. And when you first create the note, you automatically get an active text box. But don't worry if you're not ready to write into it or you accidentally click away from that. 2 slow clicks on the text itself, much the same as you do to select the text in your key entry. So not a fast double click, but 2 separate clicks. You get your active text box, and I'm just going to say, what's this? Now you can either click out of the box to set the text, or you can use the enter button and that will also secure your text. Much like the key entries, if you want to go onto 2 separate lines within your note, press Control, hold Control and then click enter, and that will bring you into a second line. And we can then move the note to wherever suits, so you can just click and drag, and as you see, I can now actually put the note over my chart. So these notes have 2 different functions. This note will remain here when I save and come out of this file, and then when I go back into it, the note will still be there. So if I want to make a reminder to myself, then I can use that for that. Or you can also export these notes. So if you are, for instance, a tech editor and you want to ask a designer a question about a certain part of their chart, you can use this to help pinpoint the area you're talking about. And to do that, it's exactly the same as you export an image. You'll note that I have not selected the key or the chart. I'm just exporting everything in the diagram area. So diagram, export to image, and we select the include sticky notes option. And I'll just call this with sticky notes. Click OK. And when I open the folder, open the file, you'll see the sticky note is included exactly where we placed it. And just to reiterate, if I have selected the key or selected the chart, when I go to export to image, we lose that sticky notes option. So it is only if you're exporting everything in your chart diagram area.